Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your teacher Rizwan Ali Pandit. Today let us discuss another cell organelles, lysosomes. Lysosomes. These lysosomes are membrane-bound organelles responsible for intracellular digestion in the eukaryotic cell. These are membrane bound organelles responsible for intracellular digestion. Responsible for intracellular digestion in the eukaryotic cell because they are absent in prokaryotic cell because they are membrane bound cell organelles, so they are present only in eukaryotic cell. The lysosomes are noticeable with electron microscope only. They are seen with the help of electron microscope only. The lysosomes practically occur in all animal cells, protozoans, fungi, and certain plant cells. Prokaryotic and mature mammalian RBCs, however, lack ribosomes. We can say they are present in all eukaryotic cells except mammalian RBCs and prokaryotes also lack lysosomes. Lysosomes arises from Golgi complex. Lysosomes arises from Golgi complex. Their membrane and hydrolytic enzymes are synthesized on the RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and are transported in transport vesicle to Golgi complex for modification and packaging. Secretory vesicles bud off from the trans phase of Golgi complex as primary lysosome. स्ट्रक्चर की बात अगर हम करें, lysosomes are tiny spherical structures evenly distributed in the cytoplasm. Each lysosome is bounded by a single membrane. It is bounded by a single membrane. It is bounded by single membrane. It contains a dense, finely granular fluid. The latter consists of hydrolytic enzymes. It contains hydrolytic enzymes, or we can say digestive enzymes. The hydrolytic enzymes are capable of digesting all organic material. There are different sets of enzymes in different lysosomes. Their membrane prevents the enzymes from escaping into the cytoplasm and destroying it. Therefore, lysosomes are also called suicidal bags. They are also called suicidal bags. What is their function? Digestion of useful material. First function is digestion of useful material. The organic substance, or we can say food particles, taken up by the cell in vacuoles from the environment are digested in the lysosomes. This is called intracellular digestion. It is a regular feature of protozoans, spores, and coelentrates. Second function is digestion of harmful material. The lysosomes dispose of the foreign particle. The lysosomes dispose of the foreign particle, example virus, bacteria, toxic molecules, by hydrolyzing them in certain leukocytes and Macrophages. This is called natural defense of the body, a characteristic of higher animals. So they dispose of the foreign particles like viruses, pathogens, or bacteria by hydrolyzing them in certain leukocytes and macrophages. Number third, this function is digestion of unwanted materials. Digestion of unwanted material. Lysosomes also remove the dead cells that accumulate at the site of injury by digesting them and thus makes a way for their replacements. Thus, they are also called natural scavengers and cellular housekeepers. During starvation, the lysosome's digestive stored food content, that is proteins, lipids, glycogen, etc., and even the cells to provide the necessary energy. This is called autophagy. This is all about this lysosome. Next cell organelle is mitochondria. Mitochondria. As you know, mitochondria, it is also called the powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse of the cell. The mitochondria are visible under a light microscope, a small sphere or short rods distributed in the cytoplasm. However, their detailed structure have been revealed by electron microscope. The mitochondria are found in all aerobic eukaryotic cells. They are found in all aerobic eukaryotic cells. They are lacking in anaerobic protozoans, mature mammalian RBCs, and in prokaryotes. The mitochondria are usually spherical, oval, cylindrical, filamentous, or even branched. Each mitochondria is bound by double membrane envelope. Double membrane covering or envelope. It is bounded by double double membrane envelope. The outer membrane is smooth. Let us see the structure of this mitochondria. This mitochondria, it is bounded by double membrane. This is outer membrane and this is inner membrane. The outer membrane is smooth, freely permeable to small molecules and medium-sized molecules and ions, whereas the inner membrane is selectively permeable and is thrown into numerous folds to increase its area. Several times. The folds are called cristae. These folds are called cristae. आप देख सकते हैं ये. These are cristae. These folds are called cristae. The cristae are arranged in characteristic pattern in different cells and bear ATP generating assemblies called oxysomes. These contain these oxysomes. These are oxysomes, or we can say ATP generating assemblies or elementary particles. Oxysomes are also called elementary particles. The two membranes of mitochondria are separated by this narrow space called intermembrane space or outer chamber. It contains clear homogeneous fluid. The space between the cristae is called this inner chamber. It is called outer chamber. This is called inner chamber. It is filled with dense fluid called mitochondrial matrix. The matrix contains respiratory enzymes, lipids, some ribosomes, RNA, a circular DNA, and certain ions. it contains ribosomes, it contains enzymes, it contains lipids, it contains RNA, it even contains circular DNA. It contains DNA but circular and certain ions. What are the functions of this mitochondria? Mitochondria, mitochondria are the sites of cellular respiration. We can say they are the main seat of cellular respiration or cell respiration. Seat of cell respiration. They use molecular oxygen and bring about stepwise oxidation of food stuff, means carbohydrate fats present in the cell, to carbon dioxide and water. Oxidation of food releases energy which is temporarily stored to form high energy ATP, adenosine triphosphate molecule. ATP is used to bring about energy requiring activities of the cell. On this account, the mitochondria are often described as powerhouse of the cell, or we can say storage batteries of the cell. And ATP is known as energy currency. Energy currency of the cell. Mitochondria are capable of cell of duplicating or replicating. They are capable of cell of duplicating. DUPLICATING. Duplicating or duplication, or we can say this replication. They have DNA, they have this mitochondria DNA, RNA. DNA is but circular. Circular DNA, RNA, ribosomes, and enzymes. They are able to synthesize some of their own proteins, hence, they are regarded as semi-autonomous organelles. Why they are called semi-autonomous organelles? Because they are able to synthesize some of their own proteins. This is all about mitochondria and lysosomes. Thank you. Goodbye.